Welcome back to Stir the Pot. In this day of hustle culture, you have to take care of yourself and your family. This meal here will take you approximately 20 minutes to prepare, so it's fast, it's easy, and it's nutritious. It is packed with vitamin C, protein, and calcium, to name a few. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, sign up for notifications, and hang out with me till the end so that I can show you how to prepare this fast and easy, nutritious meal for all you folks who are busy, busy, busy. Now, let's stir the pot. We will start this recipe by adding 2 teaspoons of olive oil to your pan. I have this set on medium low. I'll turn it up just a little. And to this, we're going to add 4 cloves of garlic. You can use fresh garlic, or if you want to use the garlic that you get in the store that's in the little containers, you're welcome to do that as well if you want to make it even quicker. We will cook this until it gets fragrant, and then we'll add our other ingredients. Be careful not to burn your garlic. Now we will add our chicken. You can by all means cook your chicken here in the pan. You would do it right now. Or what I am using is a rotisserie chicken that I have just pulled off the bone to make it a quicker cook for me tonight. Stuck in there. He says, no, I don't want to be fried and ate. To this, we're going to add a half a cup of white wine. That's the rest of it that didn't get drained. We will also add some herbs to this. I have a teaspoon, and this is oregano, thyme, rosemary, a little bit of lavender in there, a little bit of tarragon. You can do just oregano if you want to. You can do just thyme if you want to. So you can pretty much make this recipe your own, or you can follow the instructions that I'll put down in the description. While this simmers, y'all take a moment and subscribe. Hit those notifications so that you'll get all of our cooks whenever we post them. This recipe here does a body good. It is low calorie and it's nutritious. We will add to this a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper and a teaspoon of salt. I'm using sea salt. And we will add the zest of 1 lemon. I love the smell of lemon. It smells so good up in here. Little piece of chicken there stuck on my hand. We will also add the juice of that lemon that we zested. And I'm just pouring this through my strainer here just so that I don't get any of those seeds in there. We'll bring that to a simmer. We will add our pasta now. We're adding 8 ounces of penny. You can add gluten-free pasta if you want to. You can add whole wheat. That is your choice. My recipe will have penny. We'll let that all get happy together. If you guys like what you're seeing here, hit that like button and add a comment. Tell me what you would like. Tell me about your New Year's resolutions if you have any, and what you're doing to take care of yourself. Okay, folks, here comes the additional goodness that we're adding here. We are adding 9 ounces of chopped spinach. And this is just the spinach that you get at the grocery store in the bag. We're going to add it in here and we're going to let it wilt. And it won't take long. I will add another pinch of salt to this. That's a lot of spinach. Last but not least, we need to hit it with some Parmesan cheese. How does that look for a 20-minute meal? This is the chicken, spinach, and pasta with lemon and Parmesan cheese. Let's try it. This will taste better the next day, even with the lemon in that. I find that whenever I use lemon zest in dishes, that it actually tastes better the next day. So good stuff. This is going to be good on the table tonight. Thank you to all of our subscribers. I hope that you are enjoying the recipes and videos as much as I enjoy bringing them to you. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit notifications so that you don't miss any of our videos. And the recipe for this will be down in the description. And until next time, stir the pot.